What's happening, y'all? Welcome to another episode. It is a beautiful day down here in southern New Mexico. I know you guys cannot see me. We are here at Elephant Butte Lake, right here by the main marina, and I have upgraded to a new kayak. I don't think you guys can see anything. It's really dark out, but the sun's about to come up and we are fishing a tournament. So without any further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get ready to launch. I have like maybe 5 minutes before I can launch. But that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna be showing you guys our new kayak, and we're gonna be trying to catch some fish, winning a little bit of money. So first tournament of the year, the very first ever Elephant Butte Derby Series tournament. So I'm excited. It's gonna be a good time. Brandon, he's already out there on the water getting after it because he has a 360 light. I have not rigged this thing up really. Yeah, I haven't modified it since I got it a couple weeks ago. But well, it's gonna be our project for this year, and it's gonna, by the end of the year this thing is gonna be absolutely sick. I'm super excited. So anyway, like the video, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in just a moment. All right guys, we're about to get started now. I mean, it's been a long trek paddling across the lake here in this wind. It's rough. So because I'm in this kayak, I don't have any electronics or anything like that. I did not get a chance to pre-fish at all this week. So I'm kind of going in this blind. I have no idea where these fish are going to be. So I'm going to be throwing a jerk bait. This is the 6 Sense Provoke deep diving jerk bait. And along this wall here may hold some fish. Maybe we'll have to find something a little bit different. All I know is that this wind has really messed up my plans for today. I was wanting to head over to the other side of the lake and go explore around McCrae, but with this wind, I don't think that's the safest idea. Last thing I want to do is get stuck, you know? Ooh. What? Did I just... Where? What? Was mine not bad? What the heck? My knot came undone. Oh my gosh, I just lost a $20 bait on the first cast. It's gonna be a great tournament. It's gonna be a great tournament. I just don't know what to do. I mean, I'm not gonna catch any fish here. I mean, because McCrae is right there. Maybe if I get into those coves back there, it'll be a little bit of a windbreak, I'm thinking. Oh, but the wind is so bad. Let's see. I doubt I'll have service right here. Yeah, 5 to 10 miles an hour on the butt. I mean, this is way worse than that. Oh, shoot. We got one, guys. We're not skunked. We're not skunked. He's a little guy. Oh my gosh. He just came and smoked it as I was pulling it out of the water. Oh my gosh. I don't know if he's big enough. Oh gosh. First fish. Look at this little largemouth. Oh gosh. And we've literally traveled like 1 billion miles. Ugh. Woo, little tournament bass. The smallest bass of my life. Almost 8.5 inches. We're on the board though. Oh my gosh. Ridiculous, ridiculous. That makes me feel so much better though. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, man. That does make me feel a lot better. Let's come back up here. Oh, we got one. We got another fish, guys. He's a decent one, or he's better at least. Smallie. Ah, thank you, Jesus. Ah, thank you, Jesus. Beautiful little smallmouth. Oh man. Someone hit the spot lock. Ooh. Close your mouth, buddy. Could you please close your mouth? Beautiful smallmouth. Later, buddy. Alrighty. Tournament fishing is tough, guys. But we are on the board. This is a pretty good spot, I think. And I think we've got the right bait, too, so. Oh yeah, good fish. Another smallie, nice smallie. We're gonna need the net for this one. Oh, come around. Thank you. Praise the Lord. This is a beautiful smallmouth, guys. Don't hook me. Dude was barely hooked too. Barely hooked. Oh man, he's so thick. Thank you, buddy. 14-incher. I just had to give that thing a little twitch here and there. Oh, come on. I'm having such a hard time getting my phone out of my... Close your mouth. Trying to... Another beautiful smallmouth. Woo-wee. Guys, I think we're doing all right. I think we're doing all right. Are we gonna win any money today? I don't know. There's some hammers in this tournament. There's some guys that they're definitely, you know, worth keeping an eye on. Oh gosh. Oh man. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh gosh. This is not good. Not good, not good, not good. Okay. Calm down, calm down. I'm stuck on the rocks. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I'm trying to get my paddles up. That latch is stuck. And I've got to hold on so these waves don't tip me over. Oh man, that did not sound good. I'm gonna pull up the rudder if I can. I'm stuck. Oh. There we go. Come on, get out of there. Get out of there. Come on, get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Let go. What am I hooked on? Oh gosh. Oh Lord. What am I hooked on? Oh gosh. Oh gosh, that was terrible. Oh, I hated that. Every moment of it. Oh my gosh. Oh man. I need to find a bank to pull off to catch my breath. Get this thing resituated. Oh man, that was terrible. Oh my gosh. My other batteries got freaking soaked. Why? I think my rudder is broken because I can't steer. There it goes. Maybe it just needed to be worked a little bit. And yeah, I think what we're gonna do is okay, now it is for sure gonna need some adjustment. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm just going in circles. I can't stand this, dude. This is rough. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to paddle. This is rough. This is very rough, guys. And it looks like it's about to rain too. I'm drenched. My other batteries are just completely drenched. So hopefully they'll dry out and I can get you guys some more content today. But if not, this is where we're gonna call it. I will have an update for you guys after a while. I guess next time you see me, we'll either be back to fishing or we'll be at our weigh-in. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can get some more fish, but if not, you know, it is what it is. All right guys, we are not completely out of commission anymore. So what ended up happening was our rudder broke in that whole ordeal. You can see where it kind of just snapped right at an angle, just like that. So luckily we have a Hobie dealer here. I was able to pick up a new one, but this is the new yak. It's a Hobie Mirage Outback. It's an older model from like the mid 2000s, you know, before 2010. So it's pretty nice. Our fins, they're still in good shape, and all of our gear is still, I mean, we didn't lose anything. My blood pressure went up through the roof, but you know what, we've calmed down a little bit and we came down here to the south end of the lake. The wind has calmed down just a little bit, but we still have about 5 hours or so that we can fish. So I don't want to waste any time. I want to get back out here on the water and hopefully, oh, I gotta grab that catch board. Hopefully we can fill our limit and maybe even cull out some of those smaller fish. That's the plan anyway. But yeah, it's an adventure. Every day is an adventure. All right, guys. Oh, that feels good. Being able to steer again. All right, I'm whipping out the big guns now. Got a jerk bait tied on. Oh, we're hooked up. Oh no, he broke me off. No, he broke me off. Oh, that was a good fish. Oh, that was such a good fish. Oh my gosh. That was another $25 freaking lure. That was a good fish. It felt like a really nice smallmouth. My line broke. Oh, I must have had a nick in the line somewhere. Oh gosh. Dang it. There is one more spot for sure that I want to hit. It's right over here. I guess we can fish this bank on our way over. But there's a spot over here. It's where Brandon caught his PB a couple years ago. And then I think when we're done fishing there, we might just call it a day.
We went over yesterday. There's a lot of people that helped put this stuff together. The trophies that were made by a gentleman who's in El Paso. So he's the one who made first, second, and third place trophy. And then fourth, fifth, and sixth were donated from Sam Garcia. He's a part of Sun City Bass Fishing. If you're ever in El Paso, you want to fish on Escalante, they have monthly derbies. Yeah. So that's kind of where we got the idea from. So thanks to Sam for putting that together.
Thank you, Sam.
Chris, with it on baits, he has a, this is in a Lorenz, so let's not get too excited. There's a bunch of baits and jig heads that he donated, we'll give with the raffle, and then this one's gonna be with the raffle. So we have. So, despite the wind and the horrible weather that the weatherman lied to me about this morning, I didn't think it was gonna be that bad. And even being that bad, we had some pretty good turnouts. So for first place, bringing in 72.5 inches.
Oh my gosh.
Mr. Chris Klein himself.
Yeah, Chris.
So we found it.
Yeah.
So we didn't have, so we did, when I had projected the 200 for first place, so with 15 people, we only ended up with 14 people, so first place is $190.
All right.
We can do this.
Okay.
Cool, thanks, man. And then in second place, with 70 inches even, Victor.
I got smoked.
Second place was $100. And coming in at 5:30 this morning to get everything taken care of, third place goes to Robert Williams with 41.50. And that's going to be $60 for third place. You go there, and then you got
Thank you.
Oh, they got the whole winner's table over there. That's where they got food.
Oh, yeah.
If you didn't win first, second, or third, it's okay because you still get a plaque. Again, donated by Sam Garcia with the Sun City Bass Fishing. So in fourth place, with 34.5 inches, Aaron Royster.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
And then fifth place, with 32 inches even,
Jesse. Good stuff, dude.
And last but not least, in sixth place goes to Sam Garcia.
Oh, nice. Sir.
And then we still have Dinkfish and Big Bass. Big Bass came out to a total of $130 for the people that we have participated. So with that, biggest bass was 16.25 inches for Chris Klein.
All right. Here you go, Chris.
my understanding from Dinkfish that Chris donated, it had to be under 8 inches. So with Dinkfish of 7.5 goes to Sam.
Yes.
So that's
Big
20 bucks.
bad stink. That's your money, buddy. Thank you.
Right?
Right on.
Gosh, it cost me more than 20 bucks just to come up here in that truck. And I live here.
So despite the weather and despite not having as many people as I anticipated, I still wanted to make the event happen. This is the first time I've ever done something like this. Again, the idea was given to me by Sam Garcia with Sun City Bass Fishing. He said, hey, put something together. We'll go to New Mexico at the Butte. I kind of said, okay, we'll figure it out. We put it together and here we are. So we have 14 people participate and I think it was pretty good. I didn't catch any fish, but that's okay because the wind kind of got me this morning. But all in all, I think it was a good turnout. Not the big, the one that I wanted, but we're still able to come out and fish and we'll do it again. I plan on doing the next one in June, just because you have Zia and you have Bass Nation. So I don't want to overwhelm everybody and then have to come back again the next weekend. So I'm gonna have the second one in June. I'm not sure what time yet or what date. I'll work on that. Hopefully the wind isn't as bad and the fishing is better for some of us.
Can I make the announcement about that next tournament coming up with you?
Yeah, you can.
So I was talking with Manny. So my series that I run, the New Mexico Kayak Bass Fishing, we're going to run in conjunction with Manny. We've got sponsors lined out. We already have $1,000 of cash for prize money, excluding our entry fees. So we're thinking the winner could walk away with $800-900 off of that event. So
That'd be sweet.
well, me and you will coordinate, make sure we get the same dates ready to go.
We'll make it happen.
Hey Chris, I'll send you that guy's name that does the flag in case you
Yeah.
want to touch base with him.
Yeah,
Ben
get your
wanted
phone
to-
number before you leave too. We got it.
Well, I like those.
Yeah, come on, man.
All right, folks, it is the next day. I forgot to film an outro yesterday after the award ceremony, but man, yesterday was such an interesting day. It started off kind of crappy, and then it got pretty decent. Then it got really crappy, and then it kind of leveled out, and then we ended off on a high note. I'm really happy. Even though I only came in fourth, didn't win any money or anything, it was a great time. Probably the most fun that I've ever had fishing a tournament before. So I am super thankful for Manny for putting on the event. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. And I don't know how the audio turned out yesterday in the award ceremony. Hopefully you guys picked up on it. But in June is going to be the next one for the Elephant Butte Derby Series. So you guys are more than welcome to come and join us, fish with me. That way I can get smoked by more of you guys, because I know, I'm not a tournament angler. These guys, they do this stuff for real. I just go out here for fun. That's just kind of how I do things. But I think I might take it a little bit more serious after hanging out with these guys now. Maybe actually gun for a top spot next time. Who knows? I mean, it's a long shot because these guys they're hammers for sure. But I'm more than happy with the Hobie. She did all right. I mean, aside from our rudder just getting completely shattered, but we've got a new one on there and it runs like a dream. So we are going to be doing some more modifications to the kayak, hopefully before the next tournament. I definitely want to get another seat on there, although I was pretty comfy all day. I'd like to upgrade the seat, maybe get some more electronics on here, maybe get either the turbo fins for the Mirage drive, or maybe even go electric. Who knows? Turn this thing into a Tesla. But anyway, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if you've stayed this long, make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. So I will catch y'all on the next and I'll catch you guys on the next episode.